Hello my dear friends, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are just going to talk about English language. Do you know about it that we are going to transform the way you speak it, and by the end of this video I promise you that you say I can speak it, and by the end of this video you will understand how to train your mouth so that you can speak good English. So listen to me carefully and don't forget to subscribe our channel. My name is Sahid and I want to ask you a question, that how do you see your English? So most of you will say to me that I can write English, I can understand it, but I cannot speak it. I know about it that you know very well grammar rules, but when it is time to speak, your lips freeze, your tongue shakes, your voice disappears, your brain goes blank. Not because you are stupid, not because your English is bad, but because your mouth is untrained. Yes, that is the truth. Nobody told you. I know you are not learning to move your mouth like an English speaker. I know you are reading, watching, listening, but you are not training your speaking muscles. That is why nothing changes. That is why you stay stuck when you open your mouth. In this video, let me say something very important. English is not just in your head. It is in your lips, your tongue, your jaw, and your sound flow. But in this video, I want to something special, that do you not know? This is not some boring grammar lesson, not another list of phrases, not another YouTuber saying repeat after me. This is a journey. We are going to break your fear, wake up your mouth, and build real spoken English fluency, starting from zero. So if you want to speak fluent English, then you have to open your mouth and you have to try to say something in English every day. To increase English skills, you have to practice regularly. You can say hello, or you can say good morning, mom and dad. You can learn English if you try to speak English in your daily life every day. You should not be afraid of making mistakes, but try to speak. And if you do this continuously, then gradually your fear will go away and you will be able to speak English